Welcome to our amazing adventure with vowels. These special letters are like the superheroes of our alphabet, helping us make all kinds of wonderful words. Are you ready to meet these fantastic five? Let's go on a vowel voyage together. First up is the awesome letter A. It's the leader of our vowel team, making sounds that help us say words like apple. Imagine biting into a juicy red apple. That's the power of the letter A. It stands tall and proud, ready to help us speak and read. Next comes the excellent letter E. This energetic vowel jumps into words like elephant. Picture a happy elephant spraying water with its trunk. That's how much fun the letter E can be. It's always eager to help us make new words. Here comes the incredible letter I. This vowel stands up straight like an ice cream cone, and that's one of the fun words it helps us say. When you're enjoying your favorite ice cream flavor, remember to thank the letter I for making that word possible. Now meet the outstanding letter O. Round and friendly like an orange, this vowel rolls into words with a smile. When you peel an orange and taste its sweet juice, you're experiencing the letter O in action. It's like a big happy hug in letter form. Last but not least is the unique letter U. This upbeat vowel helps us say words like umbrella. When rain starts falling, grab your umbrella and think about how the letter U makes this useful word possible. It's like a smile turned upside down, bringing fun to everything it touches. Remember, friends, these five vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, are the building blocks that help us make almost every word we say. They work their magic by joining with other letters to create the words we use every day. Keep practicing with these vowel friends, and you'll be a reading superstar.